calculate 1.7 times 10 to the second times 4.1 times 10 to the fourth by using scientific notation and the product rule. Express your answer in scientific notation with the proper number of significant figures. Remember, when multiplying with significant figures, your final answer should have the same amount of significant figures as your least significant number. So when you look, 1.7 has 2, 4.1 has 2. Since they're the same, it's easy. Your final answer should have 2 significant figures. All right, so let's go ahead and do some multiplication. I've got 1.7 times 10 to the second, and I'm multiplying that by 4.1 times 10 to the fourth. When we multiply, we start with just our numbers. 1.7 times 4.1, and my calculator yields 6.97. Times, now when I look at my exponents, if I'm multiplying with exponents and they're the same base, I add the exponents. So times 10 to the sixth. Now you might say, wow, this is great. 6.97 is between 1 and 10, so my answer is in scientific notation. And it is. However, remember that we need 2 significant figures. So 1, 2, that's all we need, 2. So we look one place past, 7 rounds up. So my final answer is 7.0 times 10 to the sixth.